Hi, in this video I am going to tell you about 4 keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Excel. So this data I am taking just for example. So in D4 cell I am having the word as Kapil. Okay, I want the same data on D5. What I can do, I will just press Ctrl D. In the same way, if I as Syam is present on E4 cell and the same I want on E5, I can do Ctrl D. In the similar way, this applies to multiple cells as well. So if I suppose if I select this F5 and G5 as well, yeah, and now if I press Ctrl D, the same value is coming as Rohit and Harish here. Yeah, so with the help of Ctrl D, any value present on the above cell, if I want on the below cell, it can be easily done with the help of Ctrl D. And this is a very useful trick. I can guarantee you, when you work with Microsoft Excel, this shortcut is going to really help you. Okay, and the next shortcut is in the similar way. If I want any value to be present on the right hand side, so suppose on G4 Harish is present and I want the same value on the H4 cell as well, I will do Ctrl R. In the same way, suppose on D4 cell Kapil is present, on E4 also I want Kapil, I will do Ctrl R. And the next two shortcut which I am going to tell, it is about how to hide a row and a column. So if I want to hide this row number 5, I have to just do Ctrl plus 9. Okay, you can see after 4th row, 6th row is coming. So suppose I am having some values like 11, 22 on these cells and I want to hide row number 8. So what I have to do, I have to just press Ctrl plus 9. So you can see after 7th row, 9th row is coming, 8th row is hidden. In the similar way, if I want to hide a column, so what I have to do, I have to just press Ctrl plus 0. So I want to hide column E, so I will press Ctrl plus 0. So after D, E is missing, E is hidden and F is coming. In a similar way, if I want to hide column G, so what I have to do, again Ctrl plus 0. So in the similar way, after F, G is missing and H is coming. So in this video, we learned 4 shortcuts. The first one was Ctrl D, second was Ctrl R, third was Ctrl 9 and fourth was Ctrl 0. Thanks for watching.